Hello my dear students, good morning to all of you. Today I am going to discuss a new chapter whose name is Units and Measurement. In this chapter, first of all I will discuss about physical quantities and then after I will discuss about types of physical quantities. And then after I will discuss about units and further I will discuss about types of units. Let's start. Now I am going to discuss physical quantities. What are the physical quantities? Physical quantities. I am going to discuss physical quantities. What are the physical quantities? The quantities which can be measured are called physical quantities. Those quantities which can be measured, such as mass can be measured, distance can be measured in meter, centimeter, kilometer, etc. A speed can be measured by using a speedometer. Okay? First of all, I am going to define physical quantities. The quantities which can be measured. The quantities which can be measured. The quantities which can be measured are called physical quantities. Those quantities which can be measured are called physical quantities. The quantities which can be measured are called physical quantities, such as for example, we can write mass can be measured in kg, gram, etc. Distance, it can be measured in kilometer, meter, centimeter, etc. Time can be measured. Time can be measured in second, minute, hour, etc. A speed can be measured. With the help of a speedometer. In any vehicle, a speed can be measured with the help of a speedometer in kilometer per hour. Volume can be measured in liter, milliliter, etc. Momentum can be measured. In kg meter per second. Okay? etc. A large number of physical quantities we have to study in physics. Therefore, I put etc for etc. Now I am going to discuss non-physical quantities. What are the non-physical quantities? Those quantities which can never be measured are called non-physical quantities, such as beauty. It can never be measured. You can only feel which is more beautiful. You can never measure blackness, sweetness, whiteness, etc. These quantities are called non-physical quantities. Non-physical quantities. In physics, we have to study about physical quantities, and hence we have to study about physical quantity only, and hence non-physical quantities are left here. Okay. Now I am going to discuss physical quantities, types of physical quantities. Now I am going to discuss about types of physical quantities. Physical quantities are those quantities which can be measured. Now I am going to discuss types of physical quantities. Physical quantities are divided into two parts. First one is fundamental quantities. These quantities are also called as basic quantities. These quantities are also called as basic quantities. What are the physical quantities? Those quantities which can be measured are called physical quantities. In physics, we have to study about only physical quantities. Physical quantities are further divided into two parts. First one is fundamental, and second one is derived quantities. Now I am going to discuss one by one fundamental quantities and derived quantities. First of all, I am going to discuss about fundamental quantities. What are the fundamental quantities? Fundamental quantities. The physical quantities which are independent are called fundamental quantities. You can also say that those quantities which do not depend on other quantities are called fundamental quantities. You can also say that the physical quantities which are independent are called fundamental. You can define in any way. The physical quantities which are independent, you can also say that the independent physical quantities are called fundamental quantities. The physical quantities which are independent are called fundamental quantities. There are 7 fundamental quantities. Such as total number of fundamental quantities will be equal to 7. Total number of fundamental quantities will be equal to 7. As for example, length, time, temperature, time, temperature, mass, length, time, temperature, electric current, luminous intensity. What is the meaning of luminous intensity? Luminous means light. Luminous means light. Luminous intensity. Luminous intensity. And seventh, amount of substance. M for mass, L for length, T for time,